Wake up early, rise and grind. Charts are calling, clear your mind. Candles flicker red to green. Live the Friends, this is the explainer for the trade that I did in intraday trade that I did in Adani Ports. So this is the end of day chart as of yesterday. So I shorted this yesterday as well because there was a bearish harami and the price was getting rejected from the highs. So I entered a short trade. So this was on my watch list from yesterday. And then what happened is that I'll go to 15-minute chart, right? So opening itself, chart also. Opening itself, market at that low, and that was my short entry at 12:30, around 12:30, and stop loss was high of the day at 12:40, and half of it I covered at 12:15, and half I left it open for potential target of 11:90. I don't know if it will come or not. Now I can trail it. So this is the stock that I traded, and if it goes all the way down, I'll have a risk reward ratio 1:5, and at 12:15, the risk reward ratio is 1:2. So in this market, it's important to take quick profits to avoid the volatility. Let's look at the index trades that I did. So this was also covered in the live channel. Nifty, as we know, was pretty negative from the charts. So I was waiting for Nifty to create a negative pattern. So eventually Nifty gave the impression that, so my support was 24,267, which was perfectly honored by Nifty today at the beginning. And from there it went to my first resistance. So what are these levels? We can look at the daily video that I have published. And then it made a big bearish engulfing, followed just before that a bearish hand map. So this is double confirmation. So enter short here, covered first half at my target, and then increased my shorts here, covered at my second target. So now I have left a little bit open just to see if market falls further. So those are the two trades that I did today. Awesome day today, and tomorrow let's see, it's another day. Thank you very much for joining, and hope you get some idea on how we do perfect trading with candlesticks. If you want to see it live, please do join the live streams that I do every day from 9:30 to 10 or 10:30, depending on when we take out the profit. And here I focus on not really the trading levels, but how those levels were derived and why is it important, and what is the overall market structure, right? So all the trades I discuss, and if you want more details and if you want to understand every single detail of all the trade that I do, you can also join the gold membership, where I provide the detailed charts of what I do. So thank you very much for joining, and I hope you have a good trading day. Do update in comments as to whether you made a nice profit or not today. Today's market was easy to trade, so I assume that most people will end up in profit. If so, do share. If not, also share and join our live stream. So safe trading. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye. Dream in the machine. Digits dance on flashing screens. Profit chasing hopes and schemes. Bulls and bears in constant fight. In the zone till day's first light.
heart beats faster, breathing deep. In this moment, no retreat. Risk and wisdom hand in hand. Go all in, let's make a stand.